Hey everyone! In today's Kinsta quick tip, you'll learn if you can get a custom plan in my Kinsta. Kinsta's plans and pricing structure is based on the needs of our customers, from small to large, and is able to accommodate the vast majority of use cases. There are definitely scenarios where a plan seems to cover all but one of your needs and leaves a "if only I could add this or remove that" thought in your head. We understand one size does not fit all, which is why you can request a custom plan offer from our sales team. If you are unsure whether you qualify for a custom plan, don't hesitate to reach out via chat. An account executive will reach out to you within one business day to go over your requests and answer any questions you might have. With this, we can help you find the perfect fit with Kinsta. Once you request a custom plan with one of our representatives and complete the assessment of your hosting needs, your account executive will create a custom hosting plan proposal for you to review. You will be able to access and view it online. It will contain a detailed overview of what we took into account to determine the custom plan's price. All of the custom plan proposals have an expiration date. If we don't hear back from you after you've received your proposal, it will expire and you will need to request a new one with your account executive. If your custom plan proposal looks good to you, simply reply and confirm it with us, and we will send you personal instructions on what to do next to get started. And that's a quick tip for today. For more WordPress tips and tricks, visit kinsta.com/resources. Make sure you also check out our YouTube channel and Instagram. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you out.